Welcome back to another picture description challenge. We are already on number 8. You know how this works by now. Watch carefully for 15 seconds and then I'll give you my description. Let's get started with today's image. This picture shows a beautiful scene of a park. There are gentle green hills that roll all the way up to the blue sky. The sky is bright and sunny. There is a bright sun shining in the sky with a happy face. Some fluffy clouds are floating near the sun. In the middle of the sky, there is a big colorful rainbow. The rainbow has many pretty colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. Two big birds are flying high up near the rainbow. One bird has wings that are black and white. The other bird is just like it. They look like they are having a lot of fun. There are many green trees. Some of the trees are tall and have pointy tops like pine trees. Other trees are shorter and have round leafy tops. These trees give a nice shady feeling to the park. The grass in the park is a bright, vibrant green. It looks soft and comfortable, perfect for playing on. A colorful parrot is sitting on a branch on the left side of the picture. The parrot has a long tail. It has a red body, blue and yellow wings. The parrot is looking at the park. A variety of colorful flowers are growing in the grass. There are purple, pink and yellow flowers. There is a small pond with a white swan swimming in it. The swan has a long neck and is very graceful. A young girl in a pink shirt is sitting in a wheelchair. She is waving her hand and smiling. She has black short hair. There are two kids playing catch with an orange ball. On the left, a girl with blonde hair in a braid. She is wearing a purple and pink striped shirt, blue pants and white shoes. She is jumping up with both arms raised to catch the ball. On the right, there is a boy with short black hair. He is wearing a green sweatshirt, tan shorts and brown boots. He is also trying to catch the ball with both hands up. There are two kids playing with the top on the right side of the picture. On the left, a girl with pink hair is laughing. She is wearing a dark blue shirt with a peach dress over it and dark blue shoes. She is leaning forward slightly, resting her hands on her knees. Next to her, there is a boy with black hair wearing a peach shirt and red pants. He is jumping in the air with both arms raised high. He has a huge grin on his face. There is a spinning top on the grass between them. On the right side of the picture, a brown deer is eating grass. The deer has small antlers. Everyone in the park seems to be having a good time. Overall, the picture shows a joyful day in the park. And that's a wrap on challenge number 8. What was the first thing you noticed in this picture? Tell me in the comments. If you are enjoying this series, please subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next challenge.